Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Poe AI to write. So, first thing is just simply open up the Poe AI application into your device. And now from here, guys, you should be able to see here multiple categories of bots. So you could just simply select see all on the right side of the screen. And now from here, guys, you should be able to have the search bar or the search button at the top, and you could just simply search over here, right? And now from here, guys, you will have multiple bots. So first we have the assistant, which is a general purpose assistant. We have the write concisely, and you will have long book writer. So pretty much over here, guys, you will have multiple bots that is already tailored for writing. So you will have essay writing, academic writer bot. So pretty much just simply select what you prefer, and right away you will have a message that this will be your research assistant. So from here, just simply provide a prompt. So guys, I will give a prompt. Could you write me a template with a title? And for example, my title is How to Maintain a Healthy Body. So from here, just simply send it. And from here, it will give you a template. And of course, guys, just simply change some words over here based on your own personal preferences. Or you could just simply use this template for you to have a pre-made one. And pretty much it will save you a huge amount of time to create or write something. And guys, remember that the better the message that you give, the better output it will give. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.